Action.
Hello guys, I'm Martin Unix and welcome again on my YouTube channel. For those who have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly can you click that red button at the bottom and ensure your bell is on so that you can get notifications every time I place content on my timeline and get to watch. So today I'm going to show you on how to do a decorative donut bun on dreadlocks. Guys, like my work, comment, subscribe and share to your friends so that they can impart themselves with some knowledge from whatever I know. Welcome guys. So we are going to start by shabui. Then we rinse off our shampoo and towel dry. Thereafter we are going to do some moisture plus leave-in treatment to improve moisture on the locs. Massage to distribute evenly. So we are going to use pomade on the scalp. Now the pomade helps in soothing the scalp as well as offering nourishment. This is our locking gel. I'm going to start the locking part. So it's important to show the procedures I use because we have beginners who need to see everything. So we are going to start our style, the decorative donut bun. We need to pull up all the strands carefully without causing tension on the scalp. So we will pull them together at the middle part. I'm going to leave some strands hanging at the back for decorative purpose. Actually, I'm going to leave some let's say 6 strands. Then we will pull some at the front part because I'm also going to decorate a front part. We need to ensure everything is in order, no tension at all. This is our color. I'll start by mixing it together. So I'm applying the color. Remember guys, this is temporary color, so it's washable. If you need to do away with it, you just wash and you are done. So I'm doing some red color and blue to add flavor on my style. So we are done with the front part. We are going to do the back part, the color, the red color, and then repeat the same with the blue color. So guys, I decided to go by the temporary colors because most of our clients who have dreadlocks don't like permanent colors. So you can rock your day or any occasion you need to go to attend, that is, with any color of your choice. Then you can do away with it thereafter by washing. Remember, color is very crucial because it brings rhythm to the style, that is. We are going to start the decorative donut bun. So guys, I will be pulling 2 strands at a go, just for the sake of our beginners. If you are a first learner, actually you can pick up to 6 or 8 or 10 strands. Depends with how comfortable you are. But for beginners, to be precise, I would advise you pick 2 or 3. You know, 2 strands or 3 can be well manageable. This is the way to go. Make sure the strands follow certain pattern so that you can have some rhythm. Remember guys that this is a very simple style, but it might be very hard if you don't match your strands the way they are supposed to be. We are almost done. 2 strands remaining. Nice. So nice guys, no strand which has been left out. Now we are going to do the decoration. Around the bun. This is the rope twist. This is rope twist style. Yo guys, now we are through with the donut bun. So we are going to decorate it with the rope twists, which will go around at the bottom part of the donut, bearing 2 colors. That is the blue color and the red color. That's our rope twist. Now guys, I'm going to do a decoration at the front part. I'll start with the rope twist, then 2 strand twist, then I will do a finish of Zulu knot. Remember guys, I said I will bring a tutorial with the time on how to do the Zulu knots. Two strand twist, then that's now the Zulu knot. Guys, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, share my work to your friends and family, let them know more about doing locks. Now this is my hinge control. I'm going to bind the loose hair. Now that's our finished look. It's wow, it's amazing, it's elegant. Wow guys, what's your take on that? Nice. Now for more content to come, kindly subscribe, invite your friends to subscribe to my channel, like my work, comment and share. I hope my content has been informative, and I promise to bring more educative content as time comes by. For those with short dreadlocks, kindly bear with us. I will be bringing so many videos on short dreadlocks, so we beg your patience. Welcome guys. See you.